Today I will show you how you can change the background color in 2019 WordPress theme. Now to change the background color, first go to your WordPress admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. In the customizer, go to additional CSS. Now enter the CSS code given in the description of the video. Here in a background color, you can add any color that you like. You can add red, blue, green, black, whatever color you want your background to have. Just enter the color here in background color. Now to save it, just click on the publish button. Refresh your website to see the changes. There you go, that's how you can change the background color. Now in the CSS code you can also use hex values. If you don't know hex, just use regular text color. There you go, that's how you can change the background color in 2019 WordPress theme. Now if you need any more help with this tutorial, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you.